हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग बेस्ट। इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूंगा सेट नंबर 6। सो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। साथ ही में नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए, बेल आइकन को बेसिकली, ताकि मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। एंड ये सारे वीडियो जो है मैंने डीजी शिपिंग ई लर्निंग प्लेलिस्ट में डाले हुए मेरे चैनल पे। आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके सारे वीडियोस देख सकते हैं। मैं नोटिस कर रहा हूँ कि मैक्सिमम फर्स्ट जो वीडियोस मैंने अपलोड किए उनको ही सब लोग एक्सेस कर रहे हैं। शायद मेरा नोटिफिकेशन आपको नहीं मिल रहा होगा, तो आई होप आप लोग प्लेलिस्ट में जाके सारी वीडियोस देख लेंगे। सो चलिए स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, अ मैग्नीशियम फायर इज़ क्लासिफाइड एज क्लास, इट इज़ आंसर डी। Aluminium powder fire is classified as class, again answer D, aluminum is metal. Fire in combustible metals such as sodium or magnesium are classified as, again answer D, because sodium is metal. Question number 4, fire of which class would most likely to occur in engine room of a vessel? It is class B and class C. Which toxic gas is product of incomplete combustion and is often present when fire burns in closed compartment? It is carbon monoxide. Question number 6. You are releasing carbon dioxide into an engine room compartment to extinguish fire. The CO2 will be most effective if complete compartment is closed and it is airtight. Answer C. Question number 7. In the event of fire in machinery space, answer A. The fixed carbon dioxide system should be used only when all other means of extinguishment have failed. Question number 8. Crew member reports that high pressure alarm light of low pressure CO2 fixed fire extinguishing system is illuminated. What the most probable cause of this condition would be? That answer A, B, the tank cooling system has malfunctioned. Question number 9. The normal designed CO2 storage tank temperature of pressure associated with the ship's low pressure CO2 fixed fire extinguishing system is approximately, it is answer B, 0 degree Fahrenheit to 300 degree, sorry, it is at 0 degree Fahrenheit, about 300 psi. Question number 10. What would be the major consequences of refrigeration system for a low pressure CO2 fixed fire extinguishing system remaining inoperable? Answer A, D, the entire charge might eventually be lost due to CO2 venting out through the relief valve. Question number 11. When the ship's low pressure CO2 fire extinguishing system is activated from remote location, what determines the quantity of CO2 being released into selected space? इसका आंसर है D, a pneumatic timer control each discharge selector valve and is present for each space. Question number 12. The safety disc on carbon dioxide cylinder are set to release at 2700 psi. Under normal circumstances, this pressure will be reached at a temperature of, answer A, D, 135 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 13. Fixed carbon dioxide extinguishing system for machinery space that are normally manned are activated by one control to open the stop valve and in the line leading to the space, and answer is C, a separate control to release the CO2. So basically दो कंट्रोल वाल्व होते हैं वहाँ पे, तो इस हर एक कंट्रोल वाल्व का यूज़ यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. In a fixed carbon dioxide extinguishing system for machinery space designated with a stop valve in line leading to protected space, the flow of CO2 is established by actuating two controls. Answer C. Question number 15. The CO2 flooding system is actuated by sequence of steps which are, answer है D. तो देखिए क्या sequence है. First, break the glass, pull the valve, break the glass, pull the cylinder control. Question number 16. The wooden plug fitted tightly in the vent of damaged tank may prevent the tank from, answer A, D, filling completely. Question number 17. A fire starting by spontaneous combustion can be expected in which condition? Answer is C. Oily rags are stored in metal pail. Question number 18. Oily rags stored in pile that is open to atmosphere are a hazard because they may. Answer है इसका B. Spontaneously heat and catch fire. Question number 19. Spontaneous combustion is caused by chemical action within the substance. Answer is C. Question number 20. Spontaneous combustion is most likely to occur in. Answer A. Rag soaked in linseed oil. Question number 21. Spontaneous ignition can result from. Answer is C. Careless disposal of storage of material. Question number 22. Which substance might be subject to spontaneous combustion? इसका आंसर है coal, leather and scrap rubber. All of the above. D. Question number 23. You have been carrying a liquid with flammable limit of 1% to 7% mixture with the air. If your instructions say that no one shall enter the tank if the vapor concentration is over 15% of the LEL, what is the maximum allowable percentage of vapor for when to enter? Again, question में answer है it is 15%. तो answer है 0.0015. Question number 24. Ambient air which you normally breathe contains what percent of oxygen? 0.21, that is 21%. Question number 25. Normally the percentage of oxygen in air is. Answer है 0.21, that is 21%. Question number 26. What is the maximum oxygen content below which flaming combustion will no longer occur? It is 15%, 0.15. What is the percentage of oxygen in typical sample of uncontaminated air? 21%. Answer D. Question number 28. You will extinguish a fire when you remove oxygen. फायर ट्रायंगल में होता है heat, fuel, air means oxygen and molecular chain reaction. So if you remove oxygen you can extinguish fire. नाइट्रोजन नहीं होता है, सोडियम भी नहीं होता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी नहीं होता है. Question number 29. All of the following are part of fire triangle except. So electricity is not part of fire triangle. Fuel, oxygen, heat है. Question number 30. Except in rare cases it is impossible to extinguish a shipboard fire by. Answer A. Removing the fuel. Question number 31. The spread of fire is prevented by. Answer A. B. Removing combustion from the endangered area. Question number 32. What is required in addition to the heat, fuel and oxygen of the fire triangle to have a fire? Answer A. B. Chain reaction. Question number 33. What and when removed will result in extinguishment of fire? So it is oxygen. Answer is C. So guys, this वीडियो इज़ ओवर. आई होप आपको ये यूज़फुल रहेगा. चैनल को शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ विज़िट माय प्लेलिस्ट फॉर DGS ई लर्निंग क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, जहाँ पे आपको सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे.